USDA logo. United States Department of Agriculture. Meet the expert, Brendan Niemira, PhD.
My name is Brendan Niemira. I'm a research microbiologist and research leader of the Food Safety and Intervention Technologies Research Unit.
What is the subject area of your research?
We develop non-thermal processing technologies for fresh and fresh-cut fruits and vegetables, trying to kill human pathogens like E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria.
Describe a brief synopsis of your research.
My research is all about working with controlled electrical discharges called cold plasma. This is essentially an ionized gas with a lot of reactive species, chemical species inside the plasma plume. What it does is it inactivates pathogens on fresh and fresh-cut fruits and vegetables without using any water, without using any chemicals, and without leaving any chemical residues.
What are the main outcomes of your research?
Using these kinds of cold plasma discharges, we've been able to reduce some of the most persistent and most difficult to kill organisms like E. coli, or 157H7, reduce those by 99.99% in 15 seconds on food contact surfaces. We've also developed other kinds of cold plasma systems that will generate plasma inside packages, so inside bags, for bagged lettuce and containerized mixed salads, so that we can eliminate E. coli and Salmonella on these very fragile, very difficult to treat products.
Are there any other results of your research?
One of the things that we're doing right now is combining cold plasma with other more conventional processes like chemical sanitizers and gentle thermal treatments. And what we're finding is that the cold plasma weakens the pathogens enough that it makes these other more conventional processes much more effective. So you need much lower concentrations of chemicals and much shorter treatment times of the chemicals, and you get really, really great results.
What are the next steps of your research?
The next thing that we're going to do is continue to combine the plasma processes with other more conventional systems so that we have optimized combination treatments. We're going to be looking at this for other kinds of commodities, including other like whole intact products like tomatoes and cantaloupes, as well as bagged salads and other kinds of commodities which have posed a food safety risk in the past.
USDA is an equal opportunity provider and employer. To file a complaint of discrimination, write to USDA, Assistant Secretary for Civil Rights, Office of the Assistant Secretary for Civil Rights, 1400 Independence Avenue, Southwest. Stop 9410. Washington, D.C. 20250. Or call toll-free at 866-632-9992 for English, or 800-877-8339 for TDD, or 866-377-8642 for English Federal Relay, or 800-845-6136 for Spanish Federal Relay. Music by Dexter Britton. Available under Creative Commons license from www.dexterbritton.com.